Let me bring in my guest. He is a civil rights attorney, Adanté Pointer, on the show. Adanté, good morning. Nice to see you. I think the Adelsons are getting mad. I think that Donna and Charlie are upset that they're the ones locked up and Wendy's roaming free. And so they're starting to put her story in question for the calls that they have to know are being listened to. Talk to me, Adanté. Do you think this is part of a greater plan that these people have?
I think at this point, you know, there's a saying that I was told as a youth, and it holds and rings true to today. You know, misery loves company.
Yes.
And you know, they're on a. I've heard it said earlier. It's a sinking ship. It's the Titanic. There's not enough life rafts to go around, and so they're saying, "Hey, we're trying to grab ours on appeal, or you're going to sink with us." And so they certainly appear to be throwing their sister and/or daughter under the bus, so to speak. You know, and to me, listening to this drips with people who are upset that they're the only ones feeling the pressure right now.
Oh, definitely. You know, they loved her so much up until they're the ones locked up, and now everything has really changed. I've got a clip for you, Adanté. This is from Charlie Adelson when he's being cross-examined on the stand, and Georgia Campbellman, the lead prosecutor, goes after him saying, aren't you mad that you're charged and Wendy wasn't? Let's watch.
Are you mad that Wendy hasn't been charged and you have?
No, I'm mad that I got charged for a crime that I didn't commit.
Do you have any innate anger with Wendy over that fact?
No, not at all.
Oh, but we know he's singing a different song because that jail call we listened to came after his conviction, right, Adanté? And I mean, convictions can change people, right? You know, it's all fun and games until you go to prison for the rest of your life, right?
Absolutely. I mean, at the time where he's taking the stand, you're accused. Accused is much different than being convicted. Not to say he wasn't feeling some heat under the sitting there on the stand, but when you're in that jail cell alone and you know that you're facing the rest of your life looking at bars and cement walls, you start having a different idea about what this means for you personally and all the other people who get to go on with their life. And so I'm certain that that breeds some discontent, that breeds contempt, and that's probably what we're really hearing on these jail calls. And on top of that, what we should also keep in mind is who benefited the most out of this murder. It wasn't him, it wasn't his mother, it was his sister. So he's convicted of killing someone for his sister's benefit, and yet he's the one that's sitting there paying the ultimate price. I'm certain that he's upset about that and pretty envious that he's not at home for the holidays like his sister is.